Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can replace someone post or image or anything on Mastodon social app. Okay, so this is really simple tutorial. Just follow my step, then you will learn. So you need to click your Mastodon social app and then choose a picture which picture you wanna replace. So I'm just going to choose like this one. Okay, so you gain, so I'm just gonna this one, I'm just gonna replay. So that's why you need to click here the first option, this one. Okay, just click on this and you can see it's the replay option. It's you can I'm just giving some or just give some emoji. Okay, I just write something good and click published. Okay, and that's it. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.